Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate brand consistency in Tailor. To authenticate brand consistency in Tailor Brands, start by logging into your Tailor Brands account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the brand identity section. Click on the option to view your brand logos and assets. Review the logos you have created to ensure they reflect your brand values. Next, go to the color palette section. Choose colors that align with your brand message and audience preferences. Make sure to use these colors consistently across all branding materials. Now, navigate to the typography settings. Select fonts that are easy to read and complement your overall design. Incorporate these fonts in all your marketing materials. After establishing visuals, check your brand voice. Write down key phrases that represent your brand tone. Use this voice in all written communications, including social media posts. Next, explore the website builder section. Ensure your website layout and design match your brand identity. Update content to reflect your brand voice and visuals. Now, review your social media profiles. Ensure all profile and cover images are consistent with your brand logo. Update bios and descriptions to maintain a uniform brand voice. Consider creating a brand guideline document. This should outline your brand's visual and verbal identity. Share the document with anyone involved in your branding efforts. Finally, conduct regular reviews of all your branding elements. Make adjustments as needed to maintain brand consistency. Consistent branding will strengthen recognition and trust among your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.